3, 2, 1, go.
Holy smokes. Angel, way to go. Backing this up. Jose. Okay. Mike V. Power hour. Let's get busy. Okay. Pepsi. Hold it out of the room. All the wise guys along this thing. See this? Hold on a second. See this Pepsi? It's not a barn burner. I'm not going to put you in a different tax bracket, but it's a kind of a mean reversion thing. Let's get that beach ball underwater feel. Hold on a second. A couple of these tweeter guys, they're pushing it. Hold on. For example, Majestic, Pepsi, even told his mom about it. So you have to understand. So it might have pull. It might have nothing. He has a little bit of pull. I'm not gonna lie. Who else was in Sunrise Trader, my boy? Going from the younger breed to the older breed. A guy who actually knows what Pepsi is. Pepsi won't hold my breath, but this one tapping and the one. Okay, so doesn't mean it's going to work. It's a high level plan. It doesn't mean it's a crowded trade. It's off the bottom. It's an idea. Stocks gave it back. Aklo had the secondary. Went positive. Went back to below yesterday's close. Couple of things I wanted to say again, or at least repeat myself. Now you see, a couple of days ago, you saw Slob nibble SLB, nibble with calls. Love it here. Oh man, that looks good. Now today, XLE is taking calls. Okay. So I did buy some. I posted in the room. I bought some HP. I bought dogs. I bought NBR, a couple of low floater drillers. And I am in, everybody should know this, regardless of what Crude is doing. Top 5 of option flows this year, and now we're going into June. And next, this stock right here, Next Decade Corporation, do your due diligence, loaded in it. Apache taking calls. Oxy started the day off with calls. First thing I wrote down, Oxy. What do you mean it's going to work? Here's Oxy. SGMT is the daily. Oh, what happened here? It's got the right word in it, biosciences. Land's End, 8% gains in a day. You know what? This stocky URGN took calls, Urgent Pharmaceutical, on the bottom. I looked at it here 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 days ago. Ergen, so low. Then I looked at the weekly. I said, well, it's got it in it. Missed it, had news, option flow, feed. Did work. Who's what I'm going to do? Hold on a second. This is what I really should be doing. Looking at both pages. Hold on. View idle bar. Let's go here. Okay, let's look at the top gainers, and there's the chart on the right. Okay, let's click. Okay, so averages 300,000 a day, 2.3 million. Lemon. It's got the right word in it too, and it's new. This is sexy. How much does it have in it? 2.5 million. This is what you. It's interesting. Got a range. Okay. Now, you might not want to buy Limitus Pharma, But the first two stocks we looked at, three stocks, were Ergen, SGMT. One was biotherapeutics, the other one was pharma. You get the picture? I'm actually gonna write that down. That goes into like a percentage range. LIMN. Jeff would have an opinion there. QNTM, Quantum Biopharma. It's got the, do you see this QNTM? It's got the two things you want right now, quantum and pharma, in one. Where am I on this thing? And I like this stock, I know it. Oh my God, USAR did it too. QNTM. FTRE, I'm in this. I'm in this FTRE. Fortrea Holdings, I'm in it. The first time I've ever traded it, first time I've ever heard of it. Why? Could care less. It's above all the moving averages, calls up the wazoo. It's up huge. Wazoo. I'm using words like wazoo now. What a shame. Used to be cool. Using the word wazoo. The hell says that? Oh, wazoo. ALT. This, we did it again. This is the one that I'm interested in now that I go to more bios. You know what I have to do? I have to pin this thing or something. So it doesn't keep disappearing my list. Can you pin it? How do you pin it? I don't know. How do you pin this freaking thing so it doesn't disappear? I tab it? I know what I'll do. FAT, resumption. APLD, resumption. AU, all-time highs. CRK, how you doing, Mick? Rare, bio, nugget, gold. Percent losers on the day. Some retailer. STGR, blowing everybody out. Boy, that look good too. Percent gainers in 60 minutes. Lemon. Is that the one? That is it, Lemon. GMEU. No. Ergen. Reverse Tesla, real. Percent losers in 60 minutes. Net, there's an outage. You want to see something? Pay attention, you have to focus. Dead serious with this net. It's all over the board. Net, we're seeing a number of services. If you look at my Twitter feed, Google, Amazon, Twitch, Cloudflare services are down. We're going to need a bigger internet. What is this non-dealer supposed to chase the NAS? Oh, there it is. Pepsi. You know what? You know what that tells me? You have these moves in Oklo, Oust, even Oracle, nuclear. People are getting excited about Pepsi now. That's bearish. You could, off the bottom. XTIA. Chip was waking up this morning buying XTIA in the AM. Gave you the out. That was it right there. Never broke that gapper. That was the top. 619. Let's see what Jeff woke up if I asked him to in the morning. Let's go to 4 in the morning. Me and Jeff were up at 4 a.m. 4:30. It was XTAI. He could have bought it 457, and the high of the day was 650. All right, what's wrong? 40%. And then we took a nap, like old people, and woke up again for the open at 9:30. Exactly. $457 not. Short smart. Says CDG. Intel. I cannot believe that I'm in this Intel. I'm so pissed off. I would rather lose, I'm serious, 40% in XTIA than 4% in it, than 4%, 40% in XTIA than 4% in Intel. It's like having mono being down 5% Intel. It's a long death. SGMT. Stock of the day. Stock of the day. Okay. Something I wanted to buy. There's a bio out there. Let's see a Silver's first day down. You know something? I want to tell you about the smart money into the close. I lost sleep over this. Didn't even have the position. And I literally lost sleep. Yesterday, at the close on ELF. All my private scanner, my scanner, I'm serious. Look at this thing that I'm like. This yesterday took huge money going from 123 yesterday into the close to like 126. And it followed through beautifully. And by the way, Estee Lauder's in the fund. I like it. Trust me. You know what's taking, okay, and these are stocks I call. Stocks stay delay. Stocks that took huge calls yesterday. Resting. Lays. LAES. Resting. Shell. Remember I brought this up yesterday too? However, Shell worked. Tiger, FUTU, I'm in them. I have too much of Tiger. Not gonna lie. AFRM took calls. I think that is a bio. This is good. RRC. This is good. CRK new highs. CRK new highs. What's going to stop? Smart. VSAT. I took some profits in VSAT. I got a lot of it now. At the 20. No, I don't have a lot of it. There it is. All right. Now that's one thing with VSAT. First of all, taking calls. First time I traded in years, plural. Right? There's the daily. We all know. Okay. Here it is. Let's assess this situation. Volume. Check. Calls. Check. I see you. I see you. Paper. I know this thing. Paper. 320. Huge calls. Paper. Look at this stock. I like this stock. By the way, we're still going to assess. I didn't forget about assessing VSAT. I got to come up with a better system. No ideas today, Lewis? There's nothing wrong with that. Buying some caper. Watch. Watch my V. Moving market cap of caper. We're going to try. That's for freaking sure. Let's buy, to start off, 4,000 caper. I like capers. You know what I like capers with? I like capers with my veal. Yeah, there we go. Look. Oh, Mike V with a volume spike. All right. Lewis, mature. Again, I can do a lot of things thinking about it. No idea. Fine. It's always another trade. Look what's going on every day. Unity software. You got to be in this RMC. You got to be in it. It's not sexy. Maybe no people heard it. If I'm in Pepsi, I'm going to buy an RMC. Oh, this is the one. PCT. And chirping about it. Yeah. What time is it? Percent gainers, 15 minutes, 60 minutes into the close. Lemon. Bio. Bio. All right, I'll let it go. Angel. Thanks for backing up. Means we don't need Jose anymore. No, I'm kidding. Thanks for tuning in, Mike V. Let's see what happens into the close. Not many earnings. I think it's only Restoration Hardware as we go into Friday at the end of the week. It's okay not to have an idea. You know what they say, sometimes the best trade is no trade. It is. All right. You got to know your style and know what's going on with you. You can't press it every day. You know, the numbers will get you eventually. All right. So thank you, Lewis, again. Cheers.